Hello everyone, welcome back to MBA Beginner Excel course. In today's video, we will learn about autocomplete in Excel. Before proceeding, let us remind you if any of our previous videos you have missed, you can simply get that on by clicking on I icon above, or you can simply go to playlist section and you will find all the relevant videos there. If you want to become pro in Excel, then your basics must be clear, and I hope you people are noting down all the important points on your notebooks. So let's come back to the today's topic, which is autocomplete. It is a simple feature that helps us enter faster data faster and saves time. So let's do it practically and see how it works. So now we are in cell C4, right? And we are trying to enter the rest of the residence of the employees. So let's suppose, for example, if I click D, now it will show Delhi cantonment. Why it is showing only Delhi cantonment, not Delhi? We will be doing this, we will be explaining this in the future, like for example in afterwards of this video. But firstly, let's try to understand. Now if I type D, it will show Delhi cantonment, right, in the residence. And like for example, Excel will automatically suggest Delhi cantonment. Or let's suppose, for example, if I click M, right, and it will suggest Mumbai. And for example, let's click on enter. If I click on enter, that means I am accepting this automatic suggestion by the Excel. It is called as auto complete, where I am accepting the suggestion, automatic Excel suggestion, that is called as auto complete. It is great when you are trying to enter information where you have the same entries repeating often in the same column. This is the column, right? This means row. This is the column. So in this case, it's great and accurate. So I will type enter, and Excel will save it automatically. Obviously, it will save time and it will reduce typing efforts, avoid spelling mistakes, and improve data entry speed. All I have to type is M in this case and hit enter. Like it got saved, like as Mumbai. So Himanshu's residence is Mumbai. But we have to be very careful about this feature. Let's say I don't want to write Mumbai here. In this, I don't want to write Mumbai. Let's suppose, for example, I'm putting on M. But here I don't want to put Mumbai. Let's suppose, for example, Karishma's residence is Manali. So in this case, if you don't want in that case, if you don't pay attention and will click enter, let's suppose, for example, here I have to click enter. Now what will happen? Obviously I will end up putting the wrong information here, because Karishma's residence is Manali, not Mumbai. So when I clicked M, it automatically Excel automatically suggested me Mumbai, because here we have entries with M only, Mumbai, so it suggested me Mumbai only. And if I clicked enter, it will the wrong information will get stored in the Excel, right? So let's see how we can overcome or override the autocomplete feature. Okay, so let's hit M again. Wait, let's hit M again, and it will be giving the autocomplete option like Mumbai. But here, as I told you, that we have to put Manali. So let's hit backspace. We have to hit backspace, right, which will remove the autocomplete option, and now we can write as Manali, right? Once it got saved, now we are aware that everything is fine. We will click on enter so that it will get saved. So now we know Karishma's residence is Manali, right? So now Excel let me type as in something else that starts with M, right? So now let's imagine the next residence name is Manali again, right? So when I enter M now, let's click on M, right? So when I will type M now, Excel does not give me any autocomplete options, as the Excel is seeing multiple different entries which starts with M. Here in this column we have two entries, right? One is Mumbai and another is Manali. So that is why Excel as of now is not able to recognize what I should suggest, right? So you have to remember, Excel gives you an option if it is sure that there is only one option that would fit with the autocomplete rules. right? If it were have been only Mumbai, so Excel would have shown you, or Excel would have suggested you Mumbai only, or if it would have Manali only, so Excel would have suggested Manali. As there are multiple uh, we can say entries, as in this case there are two, that means more than one, multiple entries starting with M, that is Mumbai and Manali, so Excel is not able to provide you the automatic suggestion, right? So in this case there are two different entries that starts with them, so Excel does not know what to do yet. As soon as I type, let's suppose A, all right, now Excel knows that there is only one value here in this column so far that starts with MA, that is Manali. If you will see column C, that in this column C there is only one name that starts with MA, that is Manali only. So Excel will suggest you accordingly automatically. And if I press enter, that means, let's suppose if I'm click enter, that means I'm accepting this suggestion from the Excel, right? That means I'm accepting this option. Uh, so this was all about auto complete. Now I hope you got this, you got my point, what exactly autocomplete is. Now let's suppose, for example, now in this column what we have wrote like, for example, how they are reaching office. Now let's suppose Neha is reaching office by metro, right? And I will click. Now whenever I will put M, it will show metro. Now let's suppose, for example, Karishma is not like, for example, she is coming from cab, so I will write here cab and I will put enter. So now if I will put again, now let's suppose Rohit is also coming from cab. When I will type as C, Excel will automatically suggest cab. As in D column, there is only one entry that is starting from C. If, for example, if I have to write cab, then I will simply put enter. Or if I have to rename it, or I have to do, like, for example, modifications, then I will put backspace on the auto complete, right? So today's recap will be like this. Today we learned what is autocomplete, how autocomplete works, and benefits of autocomplete. At the end of this video, let me tell you that autocomplete is a simple but powerful feature that helps you to enter data quickly and accurately. Start using it while entering names, like departments, products, or any repeated information. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, so kindly do like, share, and subscribe to our channel MBA Beginner. If you have any doubt or query, please feel free to mention that in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.